writing style, engaging. Hey everyone, if you're like me, constantly on the lookout for tasty yet healthy snack options that won't sabotage your weight loss goals, you're in the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you 22 scrumptious snacks that are not only delicious but also diet friendly. So let's dive right in. First up, we've got Greek yogurt with a sprinkle of chia seeds. This combo is not just creamy and satisfying, but also loaded with protein and fiber, keeping you fuller for longer. Next, how about some crisp apple slices with almond butter? This is one of my go-to snacks. The crunch of the apple paired with the creamy almond butter provides a perfect balance of textures, and it's a great way to keep those sugar cravings at bay. Moving on, let's talk about kale chips. Yes, you heard that right. When baked right, kale transforms into a crunchy delight that's hard to resist. Plus, it's low in calories and high in nutrients, a win-win. For those who love a good crunch, roasted chickpeas can be a game changer. Spice them up with a little cumin and paprika, and you've got yourself a snack that's not only tasty, but also packed with protein. Now, if you're in the mood for something a bit more filling, why not try a hard-boiled egg? It's simple, protein-rich, and can really help curb your appetite until your next meal. And we can't forget about a classic health enthusiast's favorite, smoothies. Blend up some spinach, a small banana, a handful of berries, and a scoop of protein powder. It's refreshing, nutritious, and utterly delicious. For a savory option, mini bell peppers stuffed with light cream cheese are not only adorable, but also super satisfying. The cream cheese adds a bit of indulgence, making it feel more like a treat than a healthy snack. And for those moments when you just want a quick bite, a handful of nuts, like almonds or walnuts, can be incredibly fulfilling. They're loaded with good fats and proteins, keeping your energy levels steady. Don't overlook the power of hummus either, especially when paired with raw veggies like carrots or cucumber. It's a classic that never fails to please. Lastly, let's not forget about a piece of dark chocolate. Yes, you can still have chocolate on a diet. Just make sure it's at least 70% cocoa. It's not only better for you, but also satisfies that sweet tooth in a pinch. With these 22 healthy snacks, you're well on your way to snacking smarter and keeping those pesky pounds off. Remember, losing weight doesn't mean you have to sacrifice flavor. It's all about making the right choices. So go ahead, treat yourself to these healthy snacks and enjoy your journey to a healthier you. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Stay healthy, stay happy. Bye.